Hi, I'm Chris Toland, and I'd like to welcome you to this course that will show you exactly how to set up a Twitter service for local businesses that you can run over 80% on autopilot, and where the local businesses will pay you month after month to run the service for them. I'm going to begin by answering a few questions that you may have about this course, starting with, what exactly is this business? In very simple terms, we help small businesses to get more customers by using Twitter. For us, this is a great business because we can automate over 80% of the work we do for each client. So once it's set up, we can just leave it to do its thing. Our client pays us every month. Our costs for running the business are tiny, just $12.58 every 2 weeks for the software that we need. And that is a total figure, not per client. So even if you have 50 clients paying you every month, your total costs are just $12.58 every 2 weeks. Also, for the business who is our client, our service is great because they get great local promotion on Twitter a number of times every single day. They attract new customers at a low cost. And most importantly, they make more profits. Small businesses need to constantly advertise and promote themselves so that they attract new customers. From a restaurant or an electrician to a flower shop or a builder, each needs to be able to find new customers to increase their revenue and so that they can make profits. Here's a short video that I made to show businesses why they need your service, and you'll be getting this video as a download in the course so that you can use it to attract your own clients too. How to get more customers for your small business by using Twitter. Did you know that Twitter has over 255 million monthly users and 100 million daily users? 46% of Twitter users log in at least once per day, and 29% check Twitter multiple times per day. 51% of users follow businesses, brands or products on Twitter. 73% of users follow small businesses in their area to get updates on future products. And 72% of users say they are more likely to purchase from a small business that they follow on Twitter. In other words, using Twitter will get you more customers. But there is a big problem. Tweets disappear down the Twitter timeline very quickly. So to be seen, you need to tweet between 4 and 10 times per day, every day. Large companies do this and get great results. But for most small businesses, it is just too time-consuming. Most start with good intentions, but give up after a few days, and so lose out on all the new customers that Twitter could bring them. I can help your business to succeed on Twitter. For a low monthly cost, I will work with you to create a large number of relevant tweets to help to promote your business and attract new customers. And then, most importantly, I will tweet for your business every day, several times per day. Tweets every day that help you to get your business seen online, increase customer loyalty, generate leads and new customers, and also give you an advantage over competitors who are not using Twitter effectively. Finally, you can use Twitter as it should be used and attract new customers to your business. To find out more and get Twitter working for you, see the info below this video. Now, I'm showing you the video as an example, so there's no info underneath the video, of course, as it mentions, but I'm sure you can see that it's a valuable service for any local business. You may have been wondering why the business doesn't just do this themselves, but as you saw in the video, to be effective, they need to be tweeting up to 10 times per day, and most businesses just don't have the time to do that, and this is where you come in. In this course, you'll learn everything you need, including how to find clients on autopilot, how to create great tweets for your client, how to get everything set up so that it works over 80% on autopilot, and additional services you can offer to boost your income even further.